Did you know a queen once seized half of Rome's empire, and Rome responded by giving her a mansion? After her husband died in 267 AD, Zenobia of Palmyra did not quietly step aside. She declared herself empress, rallied an army, and marched into Egypt. Then she took the Levant. Then Anatolia. At its peak, her breakaway empire controlled nearly a third of Rome's entire territory. Rome could not ignore it. Emperor Aurelian personally led his legions east, something emperors rarely did. He crushed her forces at the Battle of Imae in 272 AD, and her empire collapsed within months. She was captured fleeing toward Persia. Then came the famous triumph in Rome. Zenobia was paraded through the streets in golden chains, a living symbol of Roman victory. But here is the part that sticks. Rome then gave her a villa in Tivoli. She lived out her years as a respected Roman aristocrat. They humiliated her publicly and then quietly admitted she had been too formidable to simply destroy.